Ann Feldman here from TT for T, and I'm going to show you today how to upload a file into your Google Drive. So you want to upload a file that you've created, and perhaps it's a Microsoft Word file that you created. That is no problem for Google Drive. All you need to do is click on the Upload button located up here next to Create. Click on that button. It will say Upload, and then it'll ask you to upload files or an entire folder, and it also lets you work with your settings. Now let's spend just a minute here looking at your settings. Do you notice that it says convert uploaded files to a Google Docs format, and I have that checked. And also there's a convert text from uploaded PDF and image files. So those are like on-off switches. So for example, if I clicked on that one, now notice that the check mark is gone where it says convert upload files to Google Docs format. So yours may be unchecked like this. So if it is unchecked, I'd like to show you what it looks like. So I'm leaving it unchecked, and I'm going to go find the file that I'm going to upload. And I left it out here on my desktop, and I just called that file apps. So let's see if that's out here on my desktop or here in my documents. There we go. It's called apps. And I'm just going to go ahead and start that upload. Now notice my app is been uploaded, and it says has the blue W here. That means it's a Microsoft Word file. So notice now in my home, I have a W here. That tells me it's a Word format, unlike the blue, which means this is a Google Docs format. So this is a W. It is not a Google Doc file right at the moment. So now if I decide later on I'd like to convert that to a Google Doc because now maybe I'd like to edit it, share it out so other people can edit on it. It needs to be in the Google format. So that is possible to do by clicking on in front of that file. You'll have some options. If you click over here on the More, there is a button here where we can export this to a Google Doc. So if I click on Export to Google Docs, it now makes a copy in the Google Doc format so that then all of those editing features that I have available to me in Google Docs, as well as all that sharing, collaborating, having the little chat on the sides, all of those will then be available to this document. Okay, now the other feature though is I could also go ahead and have mine already set to be a Google Doc. Okay, so just now open that up for me. So now notice I have two of these. It made a copy for me. Notice this one's now my Google Doc format, and this is my original Word one. Now if for some reason you didn't see those files appear here in your home, then just go down here and click on All Items, and that will show you all of your items in which you would find that file that you had recently uploaded. Sometimes it gets lost in the shuffle when you're uploading, or you may have found yourself inside of a collection you weren't aware of. So by just clicking on the All Items, you'll definitely find your uploaded file. Now, in order to avoid having to do that extra step of converting into a Word document, I like to have mine already set to that setting. So notice when I clicked on that Upload, under Settings, mine originally had a check mark here, which meant it will automatically convert my uploaded files to a Google Doc format. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that back on. So now if I click here again and check, there should be a check mark. So that means the next time I upload a Word file, it's automatically going to be made into a Google Doc. So let's take a look at what happens when we do this. I'm going to go ahead and check both of these and put them in my trash can. And we'll start over again with our uploading process. And this time I'm going to just upload that file, and in one step it will be uploaded and be a Google Doc. So I go to my Upload and I go to my Files, and I'm going to go ahead and grab that Apps again, and now I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Upload. Now it's been uploaded, and if I notice in this box the conversion was on, so this started as a Word document, it has been converted, and if I like I can just go right ahead and share it out from right here. I'm going to go ahead and close though, and now you can see here is that same file already converted as a Google Doc. So this little tutorial showed you two things. One, how to upload that file, but the other piece is either how to convert that to a Google Doc after it's been uploaded, or to just have that become a Google Doc from the get-go. Start off by having that conversion turned on. Thank you for watching TT for Tea.